40. All right. So
Yeah.
let's go, Sagar. Let's just dive into it. Just a little introduction
Yeah.
for my audience of you, like who you are. Tell me a little bit about yourself and your story, please.
Yeah, so friends, my name is Sagar Tayal. I'm basically from Pune and I am a motivator. I love public speaking. I'm a yoga practitioner as well. I'm level 1 certified yoga from Ayush Ministry. And I'm also a kids yoga trainer certified by Ayush Ministry once again. Now, I would like to say one thing that the connection between me and Aman has been like a fairy tale. This is the first time we are meeting actually virtually. I haven't met him in person, but one thing is for sure that we share a connection with with each other. I would like to tell my viewers that Aman Khurana is also one of the top 250 speakers all around India who participated in Success Gyan's public speaking championship, and he is one of the most influential speakers to look up to. Very soon, I am sure that you are going to see Aman, and I hope that you see me as well in top 100. So this has been a
Definitely.
beautiful journey. That's
Yeah,
it.
you're just too kind, Sagar, and that was like some great words from you. And of course, like there is no if or but. We are there. Both of us were in top 100 for sure. And like the top spot, I actually take. I have interviewed a lot of people on this top 250. So I think someone is saying hi, brother.
Hi
So
everyone. Yeah.
I take this a little promise from everyone, whoever has done this interview with me, who is into the top 250, that even if one of us comes number one, or even if either of us doesn't come number one is just a spot. Just the
Spot, right.
fact that we are in this and we have found this and we have found each other, we have found so many great souls and so many great connections. I want you to take a pledge, a promise with me that you will stay on this journey and keep inspiring people all around you as much as you can till the point you can.
So I
So,
can just,
Sagar,
you know, I
is
can,
that a pinky promise? Are we
yeah,
doing
yeah,
it?
piggy prom, yeah, and I'm just raising my hand like this, कि
Yeah,
मैं गीता
a
के
pledge.
गीता पे
Yes,
हाथ रख के कसम खाता हूँ, yeah. So
yes, sir.
like
So,
you, as you know that I'm a very filmy person.
hmm,
I love films, so uh, I just feel that whenever you do anything and everything from your heart, it reaches others' hearts as well. And that
yes,
I'm
sir.
saying this because जब मैंने अमन का first video देखा था, like I was just scrolling on my Instagram and the first video I saw, and I could uh, I could just connect with you, Aman, and I was like, then I started following you, and then things just happened. मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि then you are also selected in top 250, and after that it has been an amazing journey. I have seen you delivering a beautiful 2-minute story on Inspirathon, which I would also like everyone to know that we both have been a part of Asia Books Records, that the Inspirathon event, the biggest event till date on Clubhouse app. It has gone in Asia Books of Records, and we both were a
Asia
part of
Books
it.
and India Books of Records. Yeah.
Yeah, and we both were a part of it. And apart from that, we were divided into tribes, and then we were asked to make a 2-minute motivational video on an inspiring story. And I really loved Aman's video. And I would request all my viewers, all people, to please go and watch that video. It's in his Instagram handle. You can just check there. The video is right there. And one thing is that as I mentioned in my story as well, that you are a live wire. I guess you are being called as a live wire
Yeah,
by your
that's
tribes
a
as
nickname
well.
I've been that's a nickname I've been given with of, like from my tribe. As you said, we were divided into tribes of 10 people, and my tribe gave me this name called the Live Wire because I'm like a crazy ball. I'm like a legit live wire. I'm all over the place. I'm electrifying people, and yeah, that's what I do. But guys, I also urge you, everyone who's watching this, who is following me, go check out Sagar. Show him some love. He has done a great, inspiring story on a great person that I have also studied and read about. And his story on Inspirathon was also a great one, aptly delivered, and he's a good soul, like a person that you just need to go check out his Instagram page and you'll smile from your heart. He's such a sweetheart. So, but
Thank you so much.
Sagar, like let's shift gears and let's get into the topic of today's discussion.
Yeah.
With all due respect to Success Gyans, Mr. Suren, and all that stuff. Other than that, we also have something to share about today. It's about the foundations of communication. So,
Yes.
Sagar, on that particular subject, I've heard someone has told me, पता नहीं कौन था, मुझे कोई बता रहा था कि आपके पास एक बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है शेयर करने के लिए उस चीज के ऊपर. So
Yeah,
please,
yeah, yeah.
go
So
ahead.
I would
The
just
platform is
like
yours.
to tell everyone that communication is the most granted thing. हम लोग ने granted में ले लिया है कि communication is not important. But let me tell you one thing, that communication is the most important thing, no matter irrespective of what you do in your life. Now, there's a very simple story, a very interesting story on that will show the power of communication. It's a mythological story, and I'm sharing this story because today is the first day of Navratri. So, once again, wishing all the viewers a very happy Navratri. So, this story goes once upon a time, Goddess Lakshmi and God Shani Maharaj, they both had a quarrel in between. They were having a discussion as to who is the most beautiful, who has that charm, who has that aura. Like, so Lakshmi ji was saying ki obviously I am the most beautiful goddess. I am the goddess of prosperity. So I am the most beautiful goddess. Shani Maharaj said, no, I am the most powerful. I have that aura and no one can deny that. So I feel that I have that perfect aura. No conclusion, no one was coming to a conclusion, so they decided, let's ask a devotee, that a devotee will be a perfect person to answer who among us is the perfect charmer and who has that perfect aura. So then they go to earth and they go towards the devotee, and the devotee is obviously very happy, and she is like, oh my god, today the two gods are at my home, and this she says what makes you and what brings you all both to my home. So
Yep.
they say ki we are in a dilemma, and I guess you can solve our problem, you can come to a conclusion. Tell us one thing, who among both of us you find that has that perfect aura. Now that lady is in a dilemma because अगर वो लक्ष्मी जी का नाम लेगी तो शनि महाराज गुस्सा हो जाएंगे, and as we all know that Shani Maharaj is,
Notorious.
yeah, and if she takes Shani Maharaj's name तो लक्ष्मी जी नाराज हो जाएगी. So then, she uses her wisdom and she says कि आप लोग एक काम कीजिए, do one thing, you please step out of my home, and once you walk inside my home and once you walk again outside. तो एक बार आप घर से बाहर से अंदर आइए और एक बार अंदर से बाहर जाइए. Let me just observe and then probably I'll come to a conclusion. तो then both the gods are like, यार ये कैसी मतलब ये तो बहुत strange thing है, and how come she'll come to a conclusion like that. But
Yeah.
they say कि चलो try करते हैं, let's see that. And both of them, पहले वो लोग बाहर से अंदर आते हैं, and then again they go from inside to outside, and then both the gods are like, have you come to the conclusion? So the lady is like, yes, obviously I have my answer ready. So they both are excited and they say, what is the answer? So she says, listen to it carefully. She says, when you all both were entering into my house, Goddess Lakshmi was looking very beautiful. And this is the fact. Obviously, when money enters into our life, everybody loves that. And then she says, जब शनि महाराज जी घर से बाहर जा रहे थे, तो he had that perfect aura. He was looking the most charming person. And that is the fact. When, जैसे बोलते हैं कि शनि महाराज की वजह से हमारी साढ़े साती शुरू हो जाती है. And when Shani Maharaj exits our life, obviously we become happy. So this is the power of communication, how you use your words, but this communication, this power of communication comes with wisdom. So how do you get your wisdom? By consuming good content, by following right people, by reading good books, and obviously since I'm a yogi, so I would like to mention that obviously by meditating. And this is the fact that अगर आप ये सब चीजें collectively करोगे, and then you will see gradually, slowly, but 100% you will be a better communicator. And this is a fact that communication, no matter what, is the most important thing. Like सक्सेस ज्ञान में जब हम लोग को सिखाया गया था कि यू हैव टू नरेट अ 2 minute स्टोरी ऑन अ पर्सन, we
Hmm.
I think Aman, you would also agree with me that when we started to write, हम लोग ने कितने pages लिख दिए होंगे on that particular story, because it is very important. In 2 minutes you have to narrate an inspirational story. So
Hmm.
that is possible only when you have the power of communication, because unless
Yeah.
and until you don't have that power in you, you won't be able to reach other people's, you won't be able to connect with other people. So this is
Hmm.
very important, and this doesn't happen overnight. This requires a lot of effort. Now I am very sure Aman ne kitna efforts dala hoga throughout his journey, and today we
Yeah.
see the results, because when Aman speaks, I I really love it. And when Aman speaks, you will see in his videos also that you can feel that connect. कुछ फेक नहीं है, जो है दिल से आता है, और दिल से जो आता है वो ऑब्वियसली दिल तक जरूर पहुंचता है. So that
Exactly.
is my take on power of communication, and I would like Aman you also to add something to that.
Yeah, man. Like, generally, I'm the one who's speaking all the time in these lives, but this time the stage was all yours, and you were saying you were hitting the nail right on the coffin. Like all the things that you mentioned, like rightly when you said when we got that assignment from Success Gyan, and we had to make a concise story on in like 2 minutes. The first thing I did was went to Google and said 2 minute story. I just wrote that just to like research about it. And the first article I came up with was a Harvard study on how a effective leader speaks in 2 minutes. And they like mentioned Obama as he's a very effective orator and a speaker, and he can concise his stories into 2 minute format. And this was this was such a great test from like Success Yarn, because tomorrow if you want to be like motivational speakers, tomorrow if you want to be effective speakers, we need to hold the audience. And today's audience, the attention span is just 2 minutes. Even
Right.
that is too much. Like reels are 15 seconds, 30
30
seconds, 1 minute
seconds.
at max. That is the attention span of today. So capturing an audience for 2 minutes, that's a task. If you tell me to capture an audience full of hundreds of people, 300 thousands of people for a 30-minute this thing, I can do it. Like I won't even think twice. But when you say you have to capture an audience for 2 minutes, I have to write, I have to get to the drawing board, I have to concise everything, and then you have to make sure, okay, this is also important, this is also important. How should I put all of that into it? That is where the whole that is where the craft of writing, and that is where the craft of delivering really shines through. I had to cut down my story. I had a 2 minute story ready, but I had to cut it down so much.
Cut it down.
And I think someone has it has come down to 10 seconds. Hook them or they're gone. Exactly, Nidhi. Nidhi herself is a great speaker and a writer, and we're obliged to have you here, Nidhi. And yes, like precisely, like, capturing the audience for that short amount of time is the most difficult part. But, like, I actually want to backtrack here for 1 second, Saga. You mentioned you're a yogi.
Yeah.
And I just want to ask you how you got into yoga, because I know there's an interesting story there as well.
Yeah, so it has been a beautiful journey and a very interesting one. Basically, I'm an entrepreneur myself. So all this while, I wasn't able to give time to myself. But this lockdown has been a blessing in disguise for many people, and I am one of them. So this lockdown gave me a chance to explore my new version of myself. So I gave time to my yogic practice, because my wife is a yoga trainer since last 9 years. She's practicing yoga. So she motivated me a lot. In this the first lockdown, 21 days, I still remember. I and my wife had made a first video, and we were like, let's motivate people, to a way through fitness and everything. And since then, this journey has has been a fruitful one, and the best is yet to come. Like we are very committed now. Yeah, so I thought कि let's पहले अब जैसे पावरफुल कम्युनिकेटर होने के लिए you need to be a good listener. So if you want to be a good yogic practitioner, you need to learn first. So then I learned from a good yoga trainer, yoga practitioner, and then I said कि let's take it one step further. I gave my exams, I passed in fruitful colors, and today I feel so proud to say that I'm a certified trainer from Ayush Ministry. Now, because these certifications matter a lot, because yoga is not just any form of exercise, it is an science. And this, we all Indians should be proud, because this is a gift which has been gifted to entire world, and
A gift from
everyone
us
can see
Indians.
that.
Yeah.
Yes, but my sir always says that, yoga के हमारे sir ने हमें हमेशा बताया कि today it is a very sad thing to see that people, they want to learn yoga from US and everything. There are many courses. You go on Instagram and they say affiliated to you outside India. This is a very sad reality,
It's
but it
it's
is a
it's
fact.
basically I was having a very similar discussion today on Clubhouse. This was with a person, and we were talking about, is the world moving towards a better place? And in that discussion, there was this part where we were discussing, like, the West is learning from the East, and the East is learning from the West. Like, the
Yes.
East is going towards the technology-driven part, which the West has developed, and the West is coming towards these ancient learnings of yoga, breath exercises, and all that, the culture and all that good stuff. The West is learning from us, we are learning from them, but in that mix, we have lost our identity in a sense, and especially with the things that we have given to the world. And a lot of youth nowadays do not know about the things that we have already mastered years ago, and they are learning about those things from the Western counterparts. But I'm a very optimistic guy. So what I say is, to the people who don't know that this is coming from us already, we need to make them aware. And if not, let them learn anyhow. They will learn it. They will try to seek, okay, where did it come from, and they will end up to the home. So
So
let them
rightly
connect the
said.
dots themselves. Yeah, yeah,
So rightly said, Aman. And one thing, no matter whatever you do, you need to be a lifelong learner. Like, it has been
yeah.
2 years since I have been learning and practicing yoga, but I'm proud to say that I don't know even 1% of yoga. Because if I keep this mindset, then I'll be open to new learnings every time. But if I say, ki, "Arey yaar, I'm doing yoga since 2 years and I know a lot," then, I'm shutting doors and windows, कि यार अगर suppose if I meet tomorrow, I meet Aman and Aman says कि Sagar, I know something about yoga, but मैंने बोल दिया कि यार मैं 2 साल से कर रहा हूँ, I'm not interested in learning from you. No, anybody and anyone, and you should be ready to learn from everyone. So that is the beauty of being a lifelong learner. You should always be open, and you should always be keen to learn from each and everyone.
Yep. And
uh,
about that, I have a golden nugget. Nidhi says, great session. Nidhi, are you still with us? Just say yes if you are. And this is a nugget that I want to drop. This is something that I teach in like, people who pay me in great amounts. So I just thought, like, since we are on that topic, so I want everyone to just pay attention to this. I will be putting it out there, but this is something that I learned, like, through practice, trial and error, and all that good stuff. Like, when we are learning, we need to be like an empty vessel, empty cup, or whatever you want to call it. When we're learning, we need to be empty. We need to be completely empty, because that is where the learning thing is pouring. Like, be it water, be it wine, whatever it is, that is where it is being poured. But when we are teaching, as teachers, we need to be full, or at least semi full, like 75% full. And we need to know about the subject, and till the point that we are confident and we know that we are 75% full, we know it. This is our livelihood. Till the point we have that conviction, that is when we can do an effective teaching, and it'll reflect, it'll go through, it'll be congruent, that the person who's trying to learn from us, they will know this person is a master at what they are teaching. And when we are learning ourselves, we need to be completely empty, because that is when the real learning happens. So
so
I
rightly
explained this.
said. So rightly said.
I explain this particular format into a very deep manner, and I give a lot of examples to this. But this is the nugget, and for whoever who is like, वो कहते हैं ना, समझदार को इशारा काफी. तो
काफी है.
जिसने भी ये बात समझ ली, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है. दिल पे लो, लगाओ इसको, यूज करो, and make some like, teach some people in a very good manner, and more power
So
to you. And just one second, I think, oh shit, so we are just we were running out of time, brother. So what we'll do is, I just want to ask you one small thing, and we'll try to keep it real, this thing. So we both are very filmy people, as we were talking before this, and
Yeah.
so I just want to ask you about this filmy thing that happened with you as you met your wife. Would you like to share that story with us, like how that
Yes.
went down and how you were just rejecting people without? I'll just the stage is yours. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so I would like to share this very beautiful experience. Earlier, I was very fond. I'm still fond of acting, so I always wanted to be an actor, and that is the case wherein I was rejecting a lot of girls without seeing any of them. So my wife is the first and the last person whom I met, and since then, like she has been my life. She has been in my life. So it just happened that when a proposal came, and then I just asked my mom and dad ki yaar, I'm not interested, I don't want to do this right now. So but still, what is the name of the girl? And then they were like ki her name is Deepika. So just by the name, I was so excited because everyone knows ki like the Bollywood is ruled by Deepika Padukone, and I was like कि यार अगर दीपिका मेरे लाइफ में आ जाती है तो it might happen that my acting career is boosted. So this was way
Yeah.
long time back. We are being like happily married since last 11 years, but this is a small instance, which really changed my life in a very positive way. My wife has been an immense support to me. She always motivates me, and this is a fact. जब जो लोग बोलते हैं कि behind every successful man there is a woman. So now everyone knows that who that woman is in my life. So she is Deepika Tayal. She's a doctor. She's a homeopathic coach, homeopathic doctor, and a yogic coach. So she teaches yoga since last 9 years, and I'm in madly with love with her, obviously, and I love and respect her a lot. So that's it. The story is this way. And one more thing, Aman, just before ending our session, I know we have time constraint. Yeah,
Yeah.
so I love to write, and this is a small piece of thing which I always say whenever I am on live. It's regarding passion. Anyone and everyone has something special in them. I feel genuinely that we are sent to do something special. So this is dedicated to all the viewers who are watching us right now, which is written by me, and it has a very deep meaning. अगर आप उसको दिल से सुनोगे, obviously it will change your life. So it is, जिंदगी में गर कुछ कर दिखाना है तुझे, जिंदगी में गर कुछ कर दिखाना है तुझे, कहना चाहता हूं मैं क्या, कान खोल सुन मुझे। सपना ये तेरा है, सपना ये तेरा है, पूरा इसे कौन करेगा। सपना ये तेरा है, पूरा इसे कौन करेगा। लक्ष्य पर पहुंचेगा कैसे, गर तू ऐसे डरेगा। सोच मत, सोच मत होगा ये कैसे, सोच मत होगा ये कैसे, मन में बस विश्वास रख तू। सोच मत होगा ये कैसे, मन में बस विश्वास रख तू। जो किसी ने ना किया वो अब कर दिखाएगा तू, जो किसी ने ना किया वो अब कर दिखाएगा तू। चलकर गिरना, चलकर गिरना और हार मान लेना, ये तो बड़ा आसान है। चलकर गिरना और हार मान लेना, ये तो बड़ा आसान है, लेकिन जो गिरकर उठे और फिर चल पड़े, असल में वही महान है। हैशटैग सागर के दिल से। सो
Hashtag. Say that again. Say
सागर
that
के दिल
louder.
से, हैशटैग सागर के दिल से।
That's what's up. So that's the nickname that you have. All the tribe members know you by that name.
Yeah. So actually,
Yeah.
just as 2 minutes, this has a very beautiful story once again. So once in lockdown, my wife, and my very dear friend who does editing for us, he's my brother. So he's like my brother. So we were all sitting in the balcony, and I was like, "यार, Kaushik, let's do something. कुछ तो करना है यार. I really want to motivate people. So कुछ करते हैं, इसको पहले तो नाम देते हैं, unless you don't name a baby, how will you call that baby? So let's name this baby. So I was like यार, just randomly ऐसे ही SKDS ऐसा कुछ तो randomly, I was playing with some alphabets, and I was like यार, सागर के दिल से चलो नाम देते हैं. It just started with that random on the spur of the moment, something ऐसा randomly start हुआ, And believe me, I so you know, I'm so sorry I'm using that word. I so bloody love that thing now. You know, it's my life now. You know, I can say that because I'm very passionate about that. Whenever I make any videos, I end with saying hashtag Sagar ke dil se, because I really believe in that. And I'm a
Yeah.
firm believer that whenever you do with full of passion anything, 100% universe will give you the results. And we can see that, we both can see that, you know, I can see that in Aman's life, probably y'all will see in my life very soon, you know.
Of course, we see it in your life too, man.
Yeah, so thank you once again, Aman, for going live, and it was a beautiful conversation, though a very short one. And
Yeah,
I would
very
like to
short,
tell,
very short. I hate it. I hate to cut it right here. I know, like when we were talking on the phone, like it went for, we thought it's 5 minutes and it went for half an hour. And I was like, dude, I still want to talk to this man. And I knew for a fact that this will also feel very short, which it did. So I want to urge you to come on another time, and we'll do a part two to this. And my
surely.
whole my whole shindig here is, like, give you guys a platform, and one day I want you to be so successful that I can recount this and say, okay, Sagar was on my live one day. So yeah, that is the goal behind it. And maybe if I am somewhere, you can also say, we went on his live someday. And
And
so that
probably
is the goal behind.
I would be proud to say that, you know, because अंकुर अमन के लाइव पे जाने के बाद मेरी लाइफ का ग्राफ ऊपर चला गया.
Yeah,
So I
it
would
took a
love to say
positive
that.
turn.
Yes,
Yeah.
for sure.
So that's what's up, man. Great energy, great vibes, and I really love this whole session. Let's do another one pretty soon. And we have Nidhi here with us. I am doing a clubhouse session with her. I would urge you to join me in that as well if you have time. And it's a great session. I'm not gonna plug it here. This was the session itself, and I want to end this on S. What's our hashtag? Say it loud.
हैशटैग सागर के दिल से.
एक और यार, समझ नहीं आया यार, क्या कर रहे हो यार, थोड़ी एनर्जी लाओ यार.
हैशटैग सागर के दिल से.
That's what's up. All right. So on that note, thank you, Sagar, for joining me, and thank you for everyone watching us. It was a great session, and some great learnings from both of us. And let's hope, Sagar, will see you in top 100 in Success Gyan Super Speaker.
Same here, brother. Same here. Thank you so much. God bless you. Lots of love. Keep inspiring. Be inspired. Stay happy. Stay healthy. All power and more blessings coming your way. Thank you so much.
All right. And as I say to my students, please do it with me. Guys who's watching this, take charge of your life.
Yes. Thank
Yeah.
you.
All right. Thank you. Bye.